Welcome to quick start video of CliperVolume. In this video, we will put our first volume in the scene and some material patching and get our first clip and cap. Let's start. Let's go to add menu, drag CliperVolume. If you cannot see in here, you can type Clipper. To see it, you can drag and drop it. After dragging and dropping it, I'm pressing F to focus it. And as you can see, you are not seeing any clip or cap yet. This is expected. We need to patch materials. To patch materials, you need to go Window, CliperVolume, and Material Patcher. This patcher will scan your scene that crosses with your volume, and it helps you to patch automatically the materials. For example, in here, our volume is crossing with our white and glass material you can see on our content browser. But it does not cross the black material. So if I scan the scene, you won't see the black. I move it here and rescan. Now you're seeing black. In Patcher, we have some options and selections of material you will patch. You can rescan, patch selection, unpatch selection, select all visible in here, or clear selection in here. And there is some information you need to read before using our patcher. This is a useful information you should read before using it. Information about what it can be patched, what can't be patched automatically, and what you need to be aware of while patching. Let's patch our first material. First of all, I'm gonna open the white material. As you can see in here, the white material has nothing except our material output. Its surface domain and blend mode is opaque. Let me go back to Patcher. And in here, we will see the white material I just opened. In here, it says ready to patch. So it's patchable via automated patcher of ours. And it informs you about the blend mode will change. So our GPU clipper cannot work with opaque materials. So our patcher will turn it to masked. Let's select it and click patch selected. It will inform you about what will happen, what will change. In here, you see one patched in place and one converted object to masked. Let's say OK. And you'll see now it's clips, and you can see the log patch 1 OK and 0 failed. Let's close our patcher and reopen our material. The change is very simple. It's added two different nodes to our material. One of them is absolute verb position. It's a native Unreal Engine node, not custom. And other one is material function clipper clip. This does our GPU clipping real time. If you want to connect another opacity mask on the material, you can plug it in here. Okay, let's close it. Save and close. Now you can see our volume is clipped this part of wall in this building. Let's move it. As you can see, it's clipping fast, without any delays. It's all calculated on GPU. Let me go to this upside and zoom in to our volume. In here, you can see clipping happened, hole appeared in our static mesh, and the GPU capping is working. You are not seeing a gap between two faces of mesh. To show us how we can configure our volume, you can select it, go to Details panel, and here under CliperVolume category, you will see Cap Mesh. Under Cap Mesh, you can change the color of cap, and change the cap fill type. Let's try hatch. As you see, hatch added hatch pattern to it. You can change the pattern color here. Okay. Pattern spacing and various stuff in here. These hatches are procedural and vectorial, calculated on runtime at the engine, so it's not bitmap. It's scalable. More resolution loss in here. If you want to upload your own custom bitmap, you can also go texture in here and select texture you want to see in the cap. In this video, we will show this much settings in volume. We will go in depth on that. Now, let's unpatch our material. Go window again, go CliperVolume, material patcher. This will automatic unpatching. If you don't want to do that and do manual unpatching, you can just go here and delete these two. If you wanna revert to opaque to masked, you can do it yourself. But our patcher will remember the changes you made. So while patching. So if you go here, scan the scene, and you see the patch material, you can click it and unpatch selected. It will unpatch it back. So it became back opaque. It deleted the nodes, and it's gone back to first state before you even patched. It's all for this video. Thank you.